Hello, I'm Herrero Alcala of Bagong Minalabac. I became a seafarer and OFW way back 2001 and then ended it due to my mother's ailment in 2013. Well, it's not an easy task to be a seafarer as a cook on board ship. My decision became imminent due to the economic situation of my family. So I was prompted to be educated at Mariners Daras, and then the rest is history. I became a cook trainee, then second cook, messman, ship's cook for those years, a decade of my life. And I received awards and also commendation due to my diligence in my work or my dedication. I encountered difficulties due to the clash of different cultures, but it can be learned to adapt because most of the Filipinos are hospitable. My advice for those who are aspiring to work overseas: be trained and work diligently, honestly, so that your efforts will be properly paid and your family will be happy because you are serving our nation as one of the new heroes or bagong bayani. Maraming salamat. Just Bagonos po, kapwa Minalabaqueños.